How to log in or sign in Netflix account. Today I'll show you how to log into your Netflix account easily whether you're using a computer or mobile device. I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. Netflix is one of the most popular streaming platforms and logging into your account is super simple. So let's go over how to do it in just a few easy steps whether you're on a computer or mobile device. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open your web browser and go to www.netflix.com. Now, once the Netflix homepage loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen and simply click on it. Now, a login screen will appear. What you need to do is simply enter the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account. Next, enter your password in the field provided. If you're sure it's correct, click then sign in. Once you signed in, you'll be taken to your Netflix homepage. From here, you can browse through all the great shows, movies, and documentaries available for you. Now, if you forgot your password, just click the forgot password link on the login page, and Netflix will guide you through resetting it. Double check the email or phone number you're entering, make sure there are no typos, and try again. And that's it. That's how you simply log in or sign into your Netflix account.